No, 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 no! It wants to be cute so bad, but it's really not cute. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl JANNEIL Pilgrim, and I'm the friend that tells you the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth about your makeup. So if you want to learn about makeup or how to do your makeup properly without looking ghostly or without looking like a clown, go ahead and click the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post a video. So we're continuing the series from last week. Last week we did our base like Aaliyah J. This week I'll be doing a personal favorite of mine. Her name is Millie K. On Instagram, for short I'll just say Camille. She's a personal favorite of mine. I'm so drawn to her makeup. She does not necessarily use YouTube anymore, but she is very active on Instagram and TikTok. So I'm gonna put her handle and you guys can go follow her. Let's get into this video. I did my eyeshadow off camera, just trying to imitate a kind of look that I saw her do on her Instagram recently. I'm a perfectionist. I don't go half on with anything, so even though we're focusing on the base, I still wanted to do the shadow because she always does really nice eyeshadow looks. Look how baby ear lay down and put her rest. Gone to sleep. Edges laid. So she says that she moisturizes first. For this video I'm going to be using the Farsali. This one has a hyaluronic acid complex in it. Guys, I don't know if this serum actually do anything, but I really do love it. Then y'all know that I moisturize with my Pond's Even Tone cream, and I just put that all over my face. Moisturizing my skin in winter is my favorite part of my skincare routine. This is a little bit different. She says that she adds a setting spray and lets that dry down. So hold on a second. I just used my NYX matte finish setting spray. I'm gonna add my NYX Angel Veil primer. You guys know this is my favorite primer. Highly recommend it. It's actually a drugstore primer and it's really good. Competitive with a lot of the other high-end primers too. I was worried about this, the Farsali with my primer on my face. It doesn't agree. No, 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 no. Y'all see that? When two products don't mix well together, obviously they're going to start separating. After that she adds setting powder. No color correct. No color correct. I'm going to use my Sasha Buttercup setting powder to set my face. She sprays her brushes with setting spray. Yeah, I'm going to do that now. Oh my god, that actually feels so good. That feels so good. I feel like I'm going to do that more often. 10 points of that alone, Camille. That feels so good. Why does it feel so good? I saw her recently use the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. I have that, so I'm going to use it. I'm in the color right now, Warm Sun. I'm going to use this foundation brush. I don't know exactly what she uses, so I'm just going to use my foundation brush to try to put it on. I really wish, why can't people color correct? Do you guys have even perfect skin or something? I'm trying to understand. I'm asking for myself. I don't know why I use this Farsali thing, because now I feel like my foundation just feels draggy on my skin and it never feels like this. Everything that she uses to blend, she uses setting spray on it, so I'm just gonna spray my beauty blender with setting spray because she says that's exactly what she does. I don't like this foundation now because why is it showing me up? Last week you were good. Last week you were fine, homie. It feels so draggy. It just doesn't feel right to me. Next she puts on concealer and she uses the Too Faced concealer. Oh, y'all know I don't like this concealer. Mainly because this is not my shade and I need to find my shade. This is too neutral. She puts on her concealer like this. I don't want to lie. So I did that wrong, so I'm going to fix it on the next. So what she does is, she does like a small, I'm going to turn this way. She does like a small line there. I guess it's to cut her foundation. It's to cut her eyeshadow, and then she does like some in the corner for her eye. It's so weird that people choose to text me now. Like, why text me now? You always text me all day. Then she does some concealer down her nose. She does some here, like literally. That's how it looks to me, like something like that. And then she does a few strokes on her forehead. It should be like that, right? She doesn't do any on her chin. So I hope I didn't spoil it with this half. Alright guys, moment of truth. Sponge to blend out my concealer. I don't know, I blend my under eyes last. I need all the coverage I could get. I feel like this isn't blending how I want it to blend. Like, is it me? Am I the problem? I do not like it. When she does it to her face looks so nice. Why can't my face look that good? That's all I'm asking. This looks better now. I feel like it's what I'm using is that's the problem. I see her use a contour stick. I don't have a contour stick. I use my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the color Cocoa. She contoured the sides of her face, as in her cheekbones, as well as her nose. Now I'm gonna try to do that nose thing. She does it a different way than I do. Now I'm gonna take my Real Techniques brush to blend out my contour. Do you see how nicely that brush blends it out? And I'm telling you, that's probably been sitting there for at least 2 hours. This is a lot to wet all of these brushes, I'm not gonna lie. But it does feel good when I put it on my face. This already seems like a lot of contour for my nose. Yeah, I don't like it because I can see it now. I don't like when I can see it. It's too visible. I'm wondering now if I put on too much. Let's fix that, because no way. I mean, it wants to be cute so bad, but it's really not cute. There's really only so much I can blend that out. So hopefully some powder tones that down. Then she sets her face. I know for a fact, I've seen it in her videos, that she sets her face with a she uses a powder with her brush to set her under eye. I'm gonna do that first because I just blended that out and I don't want it to crease again, so I'm just gonna set it first. Now I do not know. I think she sets everywhere else with this powder too. This looks really pretty on camera, I'm not gonna lie. And in person too, I like this. Since she basically always sets everything with setting spray, I'm just gonna go ahead and set my face. So this is the final look. I should really zoom in and let y'all see. As y'all can see, skin, I'm giving you flawlessness, edges laid to rest, eyelashes on a different type of sentence, brows on fleek. Like, I look good. I look good. Period. So let's talk about this look, guys. How much would I rate this out of a 10? I would give it an 8 or 9, 8.5. 8.5. Why? Because I love the blending process. The fact that she uses setting spray, I mean, it's a lot. It's a lot. But I can see why she does it. And it, not only that, it feels so good when you put it on your powder and you spray the brush. Like, that's going to only help to melt everything in even more. It's a lot to do. I mean, sometimes you might miss a couple times, because I'm sure I missed it for the last setting powder. I missed it for that. I missed it for the setting powder. But overall, I love the process. Y'all know I like to color correct. I feel like, I don't know, it doesn't matter, because this is a pretty heavy duty concealer and I still need to color correct with that. I just feel more comfortable. I could see a few spots here. I don't buy all this makeup so I can see any dark spots or nothing. I don't want to see nothing. And then blush, guys, you know I love blush. You guys know I love blush. Why doesn't anyone use blush? I just want to use some blush. That's it. But the setting technique, I just love it. I really do love it. That spray, that's genius. Like, even though she sprays it on her face, she still sprays it on the brushes or like the beauty blender. That is genius. I have a lot of steps that I do for my face, and it's not a whole heap of steps. So I do think that it's beginner friendly, because she sprays the setting spray on the brush and then she puts the powder on it. It makes it blend more seamlessly, so it takes less effort. If you're a beginner, I would suggest that you probably try this method. Wearability, I think that this is gonna last pretty long. I'm not gonna lie, because I set my face so many times. If my face moves, it's stubborn. Is it a nice deviation from my regular routine? I mean, yeah. I mean, I wouldn't do this all the time. I just need to color correct and add blush. But once I add those two steps, this is a very nice deviation and I would most definitely do it. In person, it looks really nice. I never once looked like a ghost in this video from it started. So I'm very happy. There was no moment where I was just like panicking and saying that I don't think, except for the nose contour. That part got me a bit, but I feel like the powder, like once you put powder on your face, it kind of tones it down a bit. So I just blended until I felt like the powder would do the rest for me, and that's exactly what the powder did. You can see that there was that much on my face anyways. For in person, nice checkity check. And on camera, as y'all can see, check. The last thing would be to check if it has flashback. Now guys, this is the final determinant. Is that what they call it? Is that a word? It should be a word, because I know that I don't make words up. But this is going to be the final thing that determines if I do my makeup this way or not. Like, I'm doing exactly what y'all are saying, so it must be that it's me. There's flashback. So you guys know that I would, yeah, once there's flashback, I can't. There's no way. That's always the final thing that I have to check. Like, even if it looks good to me in person, if it has flashback, I can't get with it, because I need to go somewhere and know that somebody can snap a picture of me and I don't look like a ghost. I can't afford. So I don't know if it's totally the concealer that I use. I do not know. But I feel like even if they use this concealer, I'm not going to use it anymore, because I want to give them a fair judgment. I'm going to use a concealer with the same consistency and the same finish, like this one, because it could be this. Guys, remember to subscribe to my channel. Remember to comment down below and tell me if you like the final look. Remember to like this video and remember to share with your friends. Remember to share with your family members. Also guys, I'm always at 300 subscribers, so remember to go ahead and click the subscribe button. It is free. The subscription is free, you're not being charged, so go ahead and click the subscribe button. Remember to tell me some of your favorite black creators that you would love to see me recreate their base routines to see if they would work for you. So guys, until next time, what was that? Until next time guys, I'll see you in the next video.